Hi there guys, today we're going to talk about GetResponse. We have already completed the video trainings for Aweber. So now as you see on the screen is the GetResponse pricing and plans. Now generally for most of you, or rather for most of us, we'll be going for this for everyone instead of mid and large companies. Okay, then you have the monthly 12 months and 24 months plan. So as you can see the price when I keep moving upwards, alright, of course there will be more discount. Okay, so if you have up to 500 contacts, generally it's free to use GetResponse. But however, if you're doing email marketing per se, 500 contacts really can't get you much sales. Okay, so just look at these three different plans. Now this one is really more for transactional emails if you're doing e-commerce. This one is whereby you have all the automation tools, and this one is for general simple email marketing purpose. So if you were to increase the contacts, let's say for example you have 10,000 contacts, it'll be $79 per month. But if you're up to 1,000 contacts, that means to say between 500 to 1,000, you'll be paying $19 per month if you are going for the monthly plan. If you are going for the yearly plan, it will be $15.58 per month, between 501 to 1,000 contacts. And for 10,000 contacts, it'll be $64.78, so on and so forth. Okay, so let's go straight into the main features of GetResponse. Once you log into GetResponse, this is what you'll be seeing. So as you can see, I just created a new account, so I have 30 days left to try the premium features like automation, notification, integrations, 24/7 live support, so on and so forth. Alright, so over here, these are all called the widgets. These are all the widgets here. Generally, all these widgets gives you a main overview of how you want your dashboard to look like. Okay, you can also create new widgets over here, like by pressing the plus sign. And these are all the different widgets within their widgets library. Within their widgets library that you can see. Okay, the sign up source, your list size, you can base on different lists and what is the list size at any point in time, you can check it. All right, your blog updates, autoresponders, your company website, landing pages, so on and so forth. Okay, but like what I mentioned, email autoresponder is mainly meant for emailing purpose, so I don't really mix up my design of landing pages together with GetResponse. Okay, now if you go over to tools section, you have the autoresponder, landing pages, website builder, so on and so forth again. The ones that generally we are using will be autoresponder, automation if you are going for the higher plan, integrations and API. Alright, these are the three main ones that we are using, as well as email marketing and as well as contacts. Alright, so if let's say you want to start your email automation, alright, or rather a simple email autoresponder. So what you do is you click on tools, click on autoresponders. Alright, and from here you can start creating your autoresponder. So we are going to talk more about all these issues in subsequent videos. Alright, so tomorrow we will start on talking about how do we create our very first autoresponder. And subsequently I'll share with you also how does the automation tool work like in GetResponse, and as well as how do you integrate GetResponse with different third-party softwares like what we mentioned in our videos when it comes to Aweber as well. Alright, the difference between email auto-sequence as well as email broadcast, and how do you actually import and export contacts within Aweber, within this GetResponse function. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video and take care.